Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you are enjoying your holiday. Happy Christmas in advance. So guys, today, the other video I make, I pre-pulled my hair. So this is the next day. I'm just going to wash my hair for the past 3 weeks now. I've not washed my hair, so I just decided to wash my hair because I always love washing my hair once a week. So just so I want to wash my hair today. To my returning subscriber, guys, yeah, welcome. Thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate you guys so much. And if you are new here, you are welcome to Lovely Natural channel. Okay, I do video on natural hair grow, all the stuff, DIY, everything about hair. So if you like my video, please subscribe, turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out any of my new video. Okay, so this is just a proposed treatment that I did the other day, so the videos are already on my channel, so I will leave it at the description box below for you to check it out if you are interested. So I'm just going to take down this twist now just to make everything look good. If you just subscribe to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you so much. So I'll just take down this hair, so I'm just taking it down, as you can see, because I'm about to wash my hair. So this product really work well. Like the oil that I use just really work well on my hair feels really so nice, so soft already. So this just for me to prepare my hair for the shampoo that I'm going to use to wash my hair. So this is the sulfur 8 shampoo deep cleaning, because I really need to deep clean my hair, but for the past 3 weeks now I've not washed my hair, so I decided to go for this shampoo to give it a try because they said deep cleaning. Okay, it's also good to remove dandruff, flake, and it also help to restore scalp natural pH balance, and it's for all hair texture. So that is so good. So I say shampoo sulfate 8 shampoo clean scalp and dandruff flake, leave hair soft, manageable, ideal for all hair type. So how to use, so you have to wet your hair, apply the shampoo, lather, rinse, repeat for best result. Shampoo at least twice a week. In case of contact with eyes, rinse with plenty of water. Okay, so the shampoo is yellow in color, as you can see. So guys, this is my first time of using this shampoo because I really want to deep clean my hair. I've not really leave my hair for this long without washing it, so that's why I decided to use this shampoo. So this is my first wash. As you can see, my hair is really dirty. That is why it did not really lather so well, it did not really form also well, because my hair, okay, my hair dirty like this 3 weeks without washing my hair. This how dirty my hair look. Oh my god, I've not experienced this. I never experienced this. So the shampoo really did well for me. As you can see, this is just the first wash and it's still dry by lathering, and it is kind of manageable. It kind of make my hair feel soft, but not that soft, in between soft and dry. If you know what I mean. So I'm just going to use to just scrub my scalp, remove all the dirty on my scalp. So I don't have any dandruff on my hair, so I'm just using it to declean my hair, not because of dandruff. Okay, so if you have dandruff, I think you should also give it a try because they said it's good to remove So guys, yes, it's good to remove dandruff. If you have dandruff on your hair, you are looking for a good shampoo to remove your dandruff, just give this shampoo a try. It might help. Okay, but I can't say because I don't have dandruff on my hair, so I can't say if it's going to remove your dandruff. But for cleaning my hair, it did give my hair a deep cleanse. Like my hair was really clean. Like that's one side that I love about it. So if you have flake or anything like dandruff, just give it a try. It might be of help to you. So guys, this is the second. I just rinsed out the first wash, so I'm just going to apply it again to follow the instruction and use this the second time to make my hair feel really clean. So I normally wash my hair. I normally use shampoo to wash my hair once. Depends on how my hair feel, but my hair really feels this dirty, so I'll be using it twice. Okay, so I'll be using it twice. Just use it on your scalp, scrub your scalp, massage everything, remove all the dirt. You can see now is the lather is coming out now because this is the second wash. You can see how foam it is now, so this is a good one. Okay, it's a plus, it's a plus, it's a plus, it's a plus. So the second wash really did well. So if you use it once, it did not really cleanse your hair, follow the instruction and use it second time. Okay, so as you can see, the lather is coming out and it's really working so well for my hair. So I will be back to tell you when I rinse it out how my hair feel about this product. So guys, I've rinsed out the shampoo for the second time. So this is how my hair is looking like now. My coils are doing so well. My hair is clean. My hair is in between dry and moisturized, so but it's okay. I love the shampoo because it cleans my hair. That is a plus for me. So the shampoo did not really dry my hair out, did not really strip my hair out that much, which I also love, but it's okay for my hair. It cleans my scalp and also cleans my hair. That is okay. My hair did not feel that really soft, but it's still okay. I like the shampoo. It cleans my hair. That is why I'm using it to deep clean my hair. I don't really care if it strip my hair or not. The most important thing is that it cleans my hair, so I'm going to condition my hair to bring back the moisture. Okay, that is
why you have to condition and deep condition your hair after using shampoo. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one.